All right, today folks, we're at another job site and we're going to take care of some invasives in some overgrown area along a wall on a property line, probably about 150 yards long. There's all kinds of downfall, dead debris in it, and rose hip, all that kind of viney stuff. We're going to grind it up for the homeowner. Stay tuned and watch the video. All right, folks, well, here's finished product after about 8.5 hours of grinding or so. Mulching this up. Now, we're gonna take a little walk and I'm gonna flip this around so you guys can actually see what's going on. Most of it was turned right down into soil, as you can see, and tilled right back pretty much into the ground, where we got into the heavier sections of undergrowth. Basically created a mulch sized down to 1 to 2, 3-inch pieces. Just re-grounded a little bit. So homeowner's super pleased with the way it turned out. Stay tuned for the next video.